Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the profound concept of reap what you sow and its significance in our lives. Have you ever heard the phrase, "you reap what you sow," and wondered what it truly means? Well, stay tuned as we unravel its meaning and explore its implications. Reap what you sow is a timeless proverb that highlights the principle of cause and effect. Just like in farming, where the quality of seed sown determines the quality of the harvest, our actions and choices determine the outcomes we experience in life. Think about it. If we sow kindness, empathy, and hard work, we're likely to reap happiness, success, and fulfillment. But if we sow negativity, laziness, and dishonesty, we shouldn't be surprised when we encounter hardship and disappointment. The beauty of reap what you sow lies in its universality. It applies to all aspects of life, relationships, career, health, and personal development. By embracing this principle, we take ownership of our choices and empower ourselves to create the life we desire. So, how can we harness the power of reap what you sow in our own lives? Start by cultivating positive habits, setting meaningful goals, and staying true to your values. Remember, every action you take today shapes your tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of reap what you sow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, sow seeds of kindness and watch your garden of life flourish. Take care.